Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to purl through the back loop of a stitch. So we'll just knit a few stitches to start. And how you purl through the back loop is you bring your yarn forward, you take the point of your right needle and you put it to the back of the stitch and you purl like so. So instead of purling to the front, you're purling to the back of the stitch. We'll do that again. Purl to the back is you bring the point of your right needle to the back of the stitch and purl to the back of it. Just like that. I'll do that one more time slowly. So bring your working yarn to the front. Take the point of your right needle and go from the back to purl. And that is purl to the back.